Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I picked up this, it's actually almost an outdated planner. I picked it up at Michael's. I think it was like $4.59. So I'm excited about putting this in my purse on the go until I can use my new Pressed Florals mini dashboard. So, of course, like I said, this is outdated. And I have not planned anything in this planner yet. So we're actually going to plan for the week of March 15th through the 21st. And I'm going to use some seasonal stickers from this teacher sticker book. I actually had a whole bunch of student and teacher sticker books that I gave to my oldest son's girlfriend, and she's not using them, so she gave them back. So I do have a bunch of teacher sticker books, so I'm going to use some of those. I'm going to use some colorful boxes from these two sticker books and try to make a spring / St. Patrick's Day spread with these stickers. So let me grab my tool pouch, and I'm going to white out the things on this side of the page because I'm not going to use errands. I'm not going to use the layout as is. Like I said, this is going to be my on-the-go purse planner. So I'm not even really sure that I'm going to write a whole lot in here other than like shopping lists or church functions and things like that from the announcements on Sunday mornings. So I'm going to start with this green box. And I believe this one came out of this Colorful Boxes sticker book. And I did kind of, I went back to my old way of doing things, and I used my wax paper to kind of lay out the spread because I feel like my videos are they're too long. I personally don't like watching 30-minute plan with me videos, so I'm going to try to start speeding up my videos now and make them a little bit faster. So I'll do a lot of pre-planning. I know some of you like to see to hear my thought process whenever I'm doing a layout, and I'll still do that to an extent, just not as much as I've been doing with trying to figure out the whole layout. So I'm going to use this Hello Spring sticker down here in the bottom, and this came from that teacher layout or teacher sticker book. And I love the pink and the green together. I think it's a great combination. So I like this sticker, so I figured I'd just go with the color scheme. This is what I was talking about in one of my other videos. Pick a sticker that you like, and then base your color scheme off of that sticker. That is the best decorative advice I can give to you. Now I'm not sure. I know that I want to use this pink colorful box, and this dark pink actually came out of this rainbow mega sticker book. So there's a lot of these darker pinks in here, and I wanted like this one, this colorful boxes, the pinks are not as dark. So let's see, I think there was, yeah, so see, these pinks do not match. I guess this one is pretty close, but this mega sticker book has the pinks that match better, in my opinion. So I think I'm just going to place this, kind of just like layer this box sticker over here. But I am going to white out the this black line that goes behind there, just because that kind of bugs me. I don't like to see black lines behind my white stickers. Okay. And then I can see the green line back there. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that on camera, I think. So I'm going to white out the green sticker as well. I got a little piece of a sticker on my finger. So I'm just going to white out this green line too on this green colorful box, just so I can't see it. And that's better. All right, I kind of creased that sticker a little bit, but that's okay. Now, the Mega Rainbow Sticker Book has these like green confettis, and I thought that these would be cute to just kind of add into this spread to kind of fill in some gaps. So let me pull those out and see if I can find a little bit different one. I don't remember where they were in here. I thought they were on this side, but oh, no. See, they have this, like these are teal colors, but I actually want more green. So here's the more green ones. And I want kind of a big one. So let's see what we can do with this one. I think I want to put it over here, and then I'm going to use my jelly roll to get rid of that black line. I don't want like a whole white out strip there. So I'm just going to take my jelly roll and just lightly go over this line. Just to kind of get rid of it so it's not showing behind the confetti. And then I've got a couple more colorful boxes and some more of these flowers that I'm going to use on the other side. Okay, I think that's fairly dry. Yeah, I think that's going to be cute there, just to fill in this this area. And then I want to take one of these bigger flowers. This is like the only big flower that I found in that sticker book. And I'm just going to put it down here. I'm kind of wondering how it would look this way. And the reason I'm going to put it this way is so that I have pink and green and pink instead of the pink laying on top of the pink. So we'll just put it that way. Put that down. And then I am going to use the to-buy list the same as it's intended. So I wonder what it would look like to put some more of these confetti down here. I'm going to cut this just a little bit so that it doesn't overlap over my check boxes. Let's just see what it looks like as another filler. I think I probably should have cut a little bit more. Oh, sorry. I know that was loud. I wonder if I should line it up this way. I think I'm going to go this way with it. These are cute. I love the pink and the green together. It's a combination I would have not thought of had I not seen this sticker. Okay, so I feel like I need maybe another flower here. Let me grab this sticker book and make sure that I didn't miss any more pink flowers. Just to be sure, because I want to use all the flowers. See, there's lots of pretty flags and like different kinds of stickers. There's washi to match. So if you ever find like a teacher sticker book and you think, well, I'm never going to use that because I'm not a teacher, you know, if it's on sale, grab it. Grab it because you're probably going to use it. You can always use different type stickers in a planner spread, even if they're not the right quote size. So this is formatted for a big teacher planner, but I'm still able to use the stickers in it. So I think I grabbed all the flower stickers. And I don't think I'm going to come in with any kind of washi tape with this spread because I've got the confetti here. So I think I might just layer this green sticker that says Let's Grow. I'll layer it and kind of use it as a filler over here too. Just maybe right here. And that kind of fills in that side. And I think that's really cute, the way that turned out. I still feel like this is kind of bare. And if I do have any flowers left over, oh gosh, once I finish the other side, I may put a flower down. We'll see. So let's go to this side. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is white out 2021. And I'm going to put a floral up here. So I'm going to white out that black line too. And now this flower actually has a bunch of different flowers in it. So it has these lighter pink and then these bluish colors. So I may be able to find something like some of these flowers to go on the other side too. Just to kind of balance it out. We'll see what I can come up with here in a minute. But we're just going to keep going on this side for now. All right, and then let's see. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I don't know if I'll use it for meal planning or not, so I'm just going to leave it blank for now. And I think I'm going to come in with some check boxes. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I've got a couple of colorful boxes too. I guess I can show you the rest of what I picked out. So I think I'm going to, I know I want this because, let's see, the 17th is St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to go ahead and put this Feeling Lucky little banner here. So I've got green there. So I think I want to go pink, green. I don't know. I think I'm going to put this pink one here. And I'm going to kind of overlap it on Tuesday because I don't like everything to be inside the boxes. I'm kind of liking how things look overlapped. So now I may put, we're just going to test this and see how this looks. And then I'm going to put a little checklist here. If I can get it straight. And use my X-Acto. And I should be able to use this checklist twice because this is a mini planner. So I think I'm going to put it the other side. I really don't want to put it down here. Maybe I will. No, I don't know. I think I'm going to switch these around. I don't know. I'm stuck. Let's try this over here on Thursday. And then maybe we'll put this green box on Friday. And then we'll put, let's put this check box down here. I'm just trying things out here, y'all. So I have this Choose Joy circle that I think I'm going to use and layer it with this green. Got a lot of pink on this page, a lot of pink. So I have some little shamrocks too, like some little clover leaves that I kind of want to incorporate in here too. And then I need to put some confetti. So let's see what we can do. I need more green. I need to actually find a green checklist. I think that would be better than the pink. Oh. Let's see if there's any in here. I don't remember. I think I might have got that out of the other nope, here we go. Uh-oh. So let's try this green checklist instead of the pink because I'm going to have a lot of pink on this spread by the time I add in my flowers. So we're going to cancel the pink ones and put in some green. So now I've got green, but that's okay. Maybe I'll put this green here. Cut this off. And I don't know yet what I'm going to do with that one. We'll wait and see. So let's put some more flowers down. I think I want to kind of just do maybe a couple in between Saturday and Sunday, or maybe over here. I don't know. Let's try something with a little shamrock. That might be kind of cute there. Maybe move it down just a little bit. And then you can come right here and add this one. I think I just messed that up. Why don't we come up here and add that? And maybe put this one behind the pink. Nope, you can't tell what that is. Now I feel like I need something down here. I can always come down here with this green checklist. And the reason I don't have any boxes or anything on Monday is because I don't want to have too much up here, because I've got this flower in the corner. I feel like there's enough to balance out that box. So let's just see. And then I do have one more flower that I can put down here. And then I probably should come in with some confetti like I did on the other side. I don't know. Maybe I'll put this up here. Let's find a green box. You know what I could do? I could take the plan and put there with a pink flower. Let's do that and see what that looks like. Because like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to actually use this for, this area that I would normally use for meal plans. Because I haven't used a mini in so long, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it just yet. So even if I need to write my meal plan in here, this header that says the plan will still be fine. I think that's cute. Now let's put a little bit of green confetti just so that we match the other side. I really don't need it over here. And I think I'm going to switch these around. I think I'm going to make my flower leaves come over here in this corner. And then maybe put my little clover leaf right there. Now where can I put... I really don't have anywhere to put this green confetti, but I do want to match the other side. So let's see what this looks like. I think that's really cute. Let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do you think the pink and the green are cute together? Because like I said, that's a combination that I would not have thought of before. And I think it's really cute. Oh, I need to trim these off the bottom here. All right, so here's what it looks like in my planner, and here's to using a mini for the first time in quite a while. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, you would consider subscribing. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.